Waiter.
Good evening, sir. Here's the menu.
Thank you. Bali isang beer na lang. Or dalawang beer, mga ba. Tapos isang lechon. Ayun. That's all. Thank you so much.
Confirm ko lang po. Dalawa pong beer and one lechon po.
Yes po.
Wait na lang po. Thank you po. 2 beer and 1 lechon.
Beers and 1 lechon po. Anything else po?
Thank you.
Anniversary daw.
Anniversary. Nani-spoke ka, no? Talaga pala natin, no? May gusto ko bang puntahan?
Naisip ko, next year, pwede tayo mag-beach. Boracay, gano'n.
Sige, pwede naman. Pwede naman. Waiter.
Sir,
Isang beer pa nga.
baka gusto niyo po ng iba na lang pong drink, sir.
Gusto ko mo. Ayoko nung ini-alternative mo. Iserve mo sa akin mo ng mental. Isan mo.
Sir, wala na po kasi tayong beer potential po. Baka iba na lang po gusto niyong i-order.
Kailangan pa ako sa supervisor. Bilisan mo.
Okay po. Ito. Meron po ang customer na nagre-reklamo sa table 1. Wala na po kasi tayong beer. So, pinipilit niyo po na yung beer na yan. Gusto niya. Tapos pinapatawag ko yung supervisor na.
Ano yung tawagan na natin si Ma'am?
Sige po, ayaw po kasi magpapili.
Hello?
Hello, Ma'am. I'm Jessa.
Yes, Jessa?
May lasing po dito, Ma'am. Ayaw po magpaawat. Gusto niya daw po makita kayo, Ma'am.
Okay. I'll be there. What seems to be the problem?
Ma'am, yung nasa table number 1 po. Lasing na siya, pero gusto niya pa po umorder ng beer.
I'll handle it.
What seems to be the problem here?
Gusto ko pang umorder ng wine, pero hindi ako sinaserban nila.
There is no wine left. There is alternatives for that, sir.
Ang dami ka na ba't ini-serve sa akin?
Can I talk to you for a moment?
Yeah, sure.
Your lover seems to be drunk at the moment because I eaten. So, I suggest alternatives for him. And is there anything that he would like? So, he can like lessen.
Yeah. Do you have coffee?
Yes, we do have coffee. Is there other things that you wanted to add?
No. So, coffee. Coffee, please.
Oh, okay.
Uy! Kaya mo ba tumayo? Kaya mo ba umuwi? Ay, wait na lang. Natawagan ko yung friend ko.
Ito sa Min. Bakit, Bes?
Hello? Hello, Be? Pwede mo ba ako tulungan dito, Be? Lasing na kasi kasama ko eh. Hindi ko na siya kayang dalhin.
Okay, punta na ako dyan.
Sige, Be. Thank you. Sige, Be. Antayin kita.
Wait lang.
Pay please.
Ano po yung bill niyo, ma'am? 3,250 po.
Okay, use my card.
Okay po. Here's your card po, ma'am. Okay na po.
Thank you.
Thank you po.
Wala.
Oh my God!
Ate! Tulungan mo ko, be!
Lasing na naman.
Hindi ko siya kaya, be.
How to treat or handle an intoxicated guest. 1. Tell early. You should be aware of the early signs of intoxication to aid guests that will enable them to still enjoy the experience. 2. Avoid put-downs. Avoid putting down the guest instead of directly refusing to serve alcohol to the guest. Try to delay your service but not too much as it may irritate the guest. 3. Keep calm. There will be instances that the intoxicated guest will talk to you in a rude manner. Remember, not to take it personally. Try to use a calm and controlled voice. Ever courteous, you must respect the guest and be professional and polite. Don't be confrontational and demeaning about the person. 5. Clarify a refusal. You need to explain to the guest the reason he or she is refused a beverage or entry into the premises or the right to remain on the premises. 6. Report. Make sure that you notify other people of what is happening. For legal reason, you may be required to keep a record of events as they happen and the approach taken. 7. Alternatives. You must be able to provide and explain a range of alternatives including switching to non-alcoholic drinks or eating a meal, which will help the guest improve his or her condition. 8. Echo. If the guest is with company, you can notify a friend of the guest and explain why certain actions are taking place.
Maybe happy anniversary.
Ikaw na.
Punta na ako dyan. I mean, makarating na ako dyan 15 minutes. Bayang!
Okay, use my card.